You wouldn't believe it. I broke a fucking bolt.
Bitches are gonna be flocking. You put your front calls on wrong. I said, how the fuck does one do that?
Where the fuck are you going?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video. I promised you an install video and today is that day. Now you might be asking yourself, Justin, what do you have? I'm going to be unboxing my BC Racing coilovers and my 20mm spacers that you can already see on the car right there, because I kind of got a bit too excited and started installing it straight away. This was meant to be a tomorrow thing, but I got so excited and I just said, fuck it, let me try, see how it looks. And it is now 5:30 and we're starting. Ideal? No, but fun, yes. I won't lie to you, I got no idea what the fuck I'm looking at. I actually have no idea how to install coilovers or even what to do to begin with. I'm gonna be watching YouTube at the exact same time we're doing this because, like I said, I've got no idea. So basically, I just spent like 20 minutes watching YouTube videos. I get it, I understand the general concept. Am I still fucking scared? Absolutely. I've never done it before. It's a freaky concept of pulling apart your car suspension. But if you look at it as if a car is like a piece of Lego, parts come off, parts go on. As long as they're done in the correct format, it should be okay. But let's get to the coilovers. So I got this set of BR coilovers from BC Racing. These are a perfect, you know, switch between track and more so daily driver use. My car's a daily driver. Do I track it? Not really. Do I ever want to? Yeah, but I don't really ever see the necessity of me having a full track setup. It's daily driven on shitty roads in Sydney. I can't believe you can't charge me fucking $1,600 a year to register my car on the road and your road's a fucking ass. I'm gonna have to call in the help of my brother eventually because I need to get in the top and under the, fuck knows, bro, just let's go. So basically, when you're under the car, there are 3 bolts you gotta take off, which include that one, and that one. I think the car needs to come up a little bit more because this whole sway arm needs to come down. And then I need to remove this. Yeah, this has got to go a lot higher. Now, one thing I will say is if you're ever working on your car, especially if you're alone, never trust jack stands. Always have multiple fail safes, including tires, rims, multiple jack points, and even the jack itself. It's good to have more than one option to save your life. Because if one of those things fails, there's 4 other things actually in this scenario to keep my head on my body. Just keep it in mind. Working alone, ensure your safety is your #1 priority. Make sure always you have fail safes in place. Now, I'm just kind of prepping for the end game here, and that's taking off the bolts that are sitting on the top hat of the suspension. I'm removing my sub, not really removing it, just pushing it into the back seats, removing any liner you have, exposing the fabric so that you can actually get to the bolt in the top hat.
I'll be so fucking real. I got under the car. I started undoing the first bolt. Bolt didn't budge at all. Mind you, I'm using a fucking impact gun with a 230 Newton meter torque fucking spec. So I don't know what the fuck's going on. Thank fuck I've got a really smart man who lives like 4 houses away from me who's really good at car shit. So I was like, hey man, I'm struggling. Can you come and help me? So I'm waiting for a bit of assistance. Hopefully we can figure it out. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, Connor just assisted me with some of the best tips I've ever seen in my fucking life. Genuinely, that cunt's done this a fair of a lot of fucking times, and it just in 5 minutes got this cunt off. We got it down now, so we're gonna go up to the top, get rid of the, I'll show you actually where it is. So in each, it's kind of, those 2 top hats there will come off and the coilover should drop. Connor, I've got my fucking suspension in my hand. Wow, that's insane. That what if I didn't do fuck all? You did everything.
Mazel tov, it's a boy. The spring fatigue and the shock probably gone.
You've now been a part. Now I've lost my virginity in doing car stuff like this. Congratulations, you were a part of it. How do you feel?
I mean, it's not the first time it's on its first, so I'll take it. So you put everything in the middle, try to see where you like it. Oh, I think I'm brake stop.
Yeah.
And we'll brake stop.
Yeah, you'll come to stop. That's what you're saying. Yeah, good. Suspension and a clutch outside. If you're slipping up, fuck up, you'll.
So if you find, if you find you're having too much, what we'll do is then we're going to get these, hold it on up to the hobbit,
I'm so fucking helpful, as you can see. I'm just watching.
So because that side's got weight on it,
Yeah.
your sway bar, it's trying to push it. So when it was up in the right spot, your sway bar link was almost trying to come out to the bottom of the arm.
Because it's not even across both sides.
Because you got torsion
I see.
on that side. So you got, when that side's being pulled down, the way a sway bar works is as you turn a corner and say that you're turning right, so that side leans hard, it pulls this wheel up to try and keep them travelling in the same kind of
Yes.
Keeps your
Yes.
geometry a lot
Like,
happier.
I'm hearing it, I understand it. But when you show me it, it makes it so much more, like, easier to know what the fuck's going on.
Yeah, so that's why usually, if you have adjustable end links, usually you just undo both sides and then do it back up when the car's on the floor.
No, straight out. It's just autistic strength, retard strength, everything.
How do you know?
Mate, I've got it too.
Oh, really?
If we're under our car at fucking 7 p.m, 6 p.m. on a Friday night, we've got fucking autism.
I've been under my car at 12 a.m. on Wednesday.
Yeah, I get to work, you look like you fucking seen a ghost. What's wrong? I've just rebuilt my
know
fucking
why.
car. Yeah. And then we have to lift this whole assembly up to get it up.
Yeah, basically we just jack under the arm.
Just to get a bit of
Because you can
lift
see
in it.
there's barely even gone down into the arm.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, I don't like the way you said that. Like, that's a possibility. I don't want to see that fucking happening. Well, these are now getting torqued down to 14.5, and he whipped out a big dog of a fucking torque wrench. I don't have none of this shit, so.
Shouldn't be, and try and tighten something up.
My hands don't usually go in places they shouldn't be, so.
Oh, really? Mine do all the time.
It's crazy how that works for us. We're now torquing down the spacer that I've put on the car as well. I can't wait to see this thing fucking on the ground. I may get erect.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
was that?
I'm sorry.
I went.
Oh, I don't know if you over talked it, but
I may have over-talked it. Did it by hand, so I might just be that strong. Or a fucking retard, either or. We'll see how that... Dude, that looks fucking off its head, man. Compared to the other side, how does it look on that side?
well, I haven't got the spaces, so it's hard to say.
Yeah, and I was saying, look how different it is without the spaces. Fucking swallowing the whole rim. That's in... Like, that's the tire touching there, so it's like at my little interval of fingers there. But it's like a whole inch. They come out more 20 mil, so... Fair cop. You know that the fucking Mighty Car Mods fucking shoe test? You jam your fucking shoe. We got one shoe. That's a good fitment. They'd be very fucking proud of that. Oh, dude, that gets me horny. That's so good.
You wouldn't believe it. I broke a fucking bolt.
Yeah, working on the car, Justin's underneath that. Yeah.
So this is my vehicle stability little bracket that plugs in to my control arm. That bolt immediately gave way and snapped. So we have got the left side in while the boys are having a chit chat and a shisha. But let's have a look see. It's in, awesome. And you'll see where I broke that bolt is meant to sit there.
Alrighty, so it is like 9:30, 10 o'clock now. I've finally done the rears.
Everything is done except for that fucking headlight adjusting sensor that I broke. I am genuinely enthralled. Bro, having that tire poke means the literal world to me.
I'm so happy. I'm so fucking over the moon about it. I've got this in the rain. That's gonna be wet now.
Oh my god, I had that just sitting there. Anyways, it is raining, but I'm so happy about this. The height, I think I'm pretty happy about as well. Let me move my fucking trigger. We're sitting up like that. It'll probably settle a little bit. It's a finger space of room. Like, two don't get in, one gets in perfect.
My mate Connor went home. Love him to death for helping. I would not have done anything without him. So super happy. Now this is done, I'll wake up in the morning, I'll get started on the fronts, and then I'll see you then. I said I'm signing out. I actually can't. This, dude, it's fucking amazing. I actually understand why people spend ungodly amounts of money and time and hours on their car properly. I never had the guts to do it. This is outstanding. I'm actually so happy. If you guys are wanting to do suspension and, you know, rims and setups, bro, do it, man. This honestly has made me love my car 10 times more. And I broke a bolt on this bitch. I fucked it up, but I'm still having so much fun with it. Please, I actually urge you, put yourself out there, give yourself that risk, and just do it. Because you can fuck up, awesome. You can also get it fixed. It's not the end of the world. Yeah, I'm upset I broke something, but I'm also so happy that I actually, you know,
Got to this. Like, dude, come on.
oh, it's so good.
It is now the second day. And I say second day, I mean 2 days after the last clip you saw. I've lost my voice as well. Yesterday got a bit rowdy. Beers and 40 will do that to you. But let's now continue with getting the front suspension off, because rears have settled in really nicely. It went from about a 1.5 finger gap of height to about a fingernail. We'll test it obviously on the road, see how that goes, but it looks pretty good. I still haven't figured out what to do for that VSC bracket. I'll probably go to Subaru tomorrow and see if I can order a part for it. But let's try this front suspension out. Another rim out. Every time I literally touch these rims, I fuck them up even more. So I believe this clip has to come off for the brake line. I'm going to leave the one on the actual knuckle itself and probably remove that one too. That should allow me some freedom to put on these 2 bolts and then the top bolts as well.
Get rich, so I stay riding grind. This shit gotta pay off someday. If it don't, I'ma go back to pushing weight.
I know you can't really see it from this angle, but bolt there and a bolt right beneath it. We're going to have probably an impact on one side and a ratchet on the other side holding it so it doesn't spin. So that's been the main thing we've done for all of the other bolts, so let's give that a crack. So after everything was back on, everything's torqued down to spec, I've also lowered the actual tower itself, or the shock itself, sorry, the coil, about 5mm. It was sitting at 65 and I was unhappy with the height on the other side, so I dropped it 5mm. Once I smack the tire on the suspension on this side and I drop it and I see the height difference, I most likely will go back to the other side and drop that 5 more mil. And then drive it, see if it's comfortable or not. But going well so far. Not really well, but we're getting through it. Alrighty, so both sides are now done. That's how we're looking on a 5mm drop. 2 fingers barely get in. I haven't dropped the other side yet. I'm gonna let the car fully settle and then we'll go from there. But she's pretty much all together. I've got Vinny here now, one of my mates, and we are going to light up my neon interior lights because I do want interior neon glow. I'm gonna have them on the deck lid, so once we record it, I'm gonna have them like right there, somewhere in there, so it kind of shows through the rear spoiler. We're gonna wire it and I'm gonna show you the finished product. Hopefully it looks good. And if we get time, we may do my underglow today. And I do have underglow right there. So let's fucking go. How you traveling, champion?
Yeah, not too bad, right?
This is Assyrian electrical shit here.
It's actually not dodgy. Surprisingly.
Yeah, it's our first job not doing it fucking dodgy.
No,
Everything's done with like...
The front light was pretty good.
Yeah, they actually were. We had put proper resistors in it and shit.
Yeah, no one was dodgy.
I don't think you've actually ever done a dodgy job on my shit yet.
Yeah, not yet.
We'll find out soon enough when we can get a dodgy. We'll do the underglow next time. Dodgy the fuck out of that thing.
Yours I feel bad for. It's actually a nice car.
Yeah, it's nice now. It's so baller. Alright, lights are all installed. Shisha's cranking almost. I'll show you where I put the lights. Got one in the wheel over there. The other one broke, so I couldn't get that done. But these are the 2 rears. Bro, Vinny, this looks fucking wicked from the back. Dude, it looks like full Fast and Furious shit. Look at this, bro. That is. I'm so happy this isn't like too dark tinted.
Yeah. They're like perfectly spaced.
Yeah, look at that shit. That's that. I don't know how to say your fucking business name again.
Varela, baby.
Varela Electrical and that cars. Yes, sir. Bright as. Oh, my flash is on too. Bright as fuck.
If you leave your battery on, if you leave those on, it's gone. Your battery.
Yeah, no, because that's 12 volts straight power. How long you reckon that'll kill my battery?
That's only like 1 amp.
Aren't you a fucking electrician, cuz? Can you like not give me numbers and shit?
I play with houses.
Are you a fucking electrician?
I do with like proper amperage and shit. 12 volts gonna fuck it all up. 3.5? Wait, let me turn my flash off, bro. Bro, bitches are gonna be flocking. Oh my god, there's those blue LEDs in that shit. I'm like, yeah. And I'm like, I can't talk to you, I'm kind of scared. Please leave me alone.
I'm shy.
Then she'll be like, are those blue? What? Green? What? I know what you're talking about. What's
My
blue?
eyes? No, they're brown.
No, hazel. Alright, Vinny, let's get the underglow on now.
Let's go. Wallet.
He's a wallet.
Delete that video.
You just spent 10 minutes.
Alrighty, nearing the end of this video, I've got one more thing to do. I've got to lower this side of the car because I'm actually happy with the side that is lowered. I'm going to show you guys the differences between the two and the way it looks. So this is the side that's untouched. I think this is like almost, it's got about a finger and a half of gap. This side, just about a finger. I did test drive it just up and down the street. It was comfortable. I didn't hit anything. Going up the driveway was easy. Obviously, it'll be a bit more difficult on the actual road, but I'm gonna go get it aligned today as well. So once I get it aligned, I'll see if they say anything. If they say it looks good, whatever, and we'll go from there. Just really quickly, as basic explanation, you want to crack this bottom one loose. Don't ever touch this middle thread because that's your preload setting. These come preloaded already from factory. Once you crack this one open, you don't want to twist the entire shock itself, either counter or clockwise, to adjust the height up or down. Also, when it comes to measuring, you want to run your bases off the bottom collar all the way to the top of that silver collar. So I'm currently running it at 55 mil both ways, so that's how I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna check on the other side as well to make sure it's even and safe. Wouldn't you fucking believe it? I've done something wrong once more. I took it to the alignment shop and I said, hey, you know, line it for me, put a degree of camber in the front, all is well, all good, went to the shops, go for a little walk. I got a call about 30 minutes later, hey champ, hey fucking idiot, I can't get a line today. And I'm like, what do you mean? What have I done wrong? What's wrong with it? And he goes, well, you put your front coils on wrong. I said, how the fuck does one do that? Like, it doesn't seem like a hard task. And he goes, well, your fucking coil is meant to spin and be linear with the engine bay. And I'm sitting here looking at it like, does that not look fucking right to you? Like, and he goes, yeah, no, it's a common mistake. I said, well, it's common, but if it's so fucking common, wouldn't you just, you know, have a little arrow or something? I don't know, cunt. Or maybe I should have read the fucking instructions, because I guarantee if I read the instructions, we'll say it in there. But me, Mr. fucking Captain Hero cunt, decided to just go free ball it and do it. And here I am in this fucking predicament. Oh my god, we like jack the fucking car up again and take the wheel off and ate a bit huzzy, bro. Just fuck my life. I love cars so much.
Alright, by God's grace, it's actually finally done. It's got coilovers in, spacers on, underglow, not even underglow, interior glow. I got to show it to you properly. I'll probably take it out tonight and I'll record some clips for you guys. But yeah, it's all on. I fucked up with the coils many times. I'm really happy I did fuck up, because now I've learnt multiple things that I didn't know before. So when, you know, in 10 years when my kid asks me if I can help him, I absolutely fucking can. Because I've made the errors now. No one in my family's done this before, so I couldn't really rely on any help, but obviously their guidance was there and helping me a lot regardless. But to say the least, I've had so much fun doing it. If you are getting coilovers for your car, please do the correct research, always be safe in doing so, and have fun doing it. Don't take every L as a bad thing, because they're just lessons at the end of the day. You won't ever grow if you don't fucking make a mistake. And I understand sometimes making a mistake can lead to costly problems, like I did. I put a hole in my CV boot and my tie rod end bushing, so those got to get replaced now, and they do cost money. So does the alignment, so does everything else, but it comes with the territory of learning. Don't be attached to money. That's something I can, you know, give advice to as well, but it's done now. So yeah.
Ain't this what they've been waiting for? You ready? I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. Got shorty, she tryna bless me like I said I chew. Like a nigga sneeze, nigga please, for them trick and squeeze, I'm getting cream.